This 5-second strategy has been giving me a very good win ratio for a long time, so I thought of sharing it with you too. The strategy is very simple, even new traders can use it easily. Just understand this trick once. So first of all I will show you in brief how to set up the indicators. So first of all set the timing of the candle to 5 seconds. Because in today's strategy this timing shows the best performance. After that set the expiry timing to 5 seconds as well. In this strategy, 5-second candle and 5-second expiry timing is a good combination, and today we will set the trade amount to $160, and today we will place many entries and see what win ratio this strategy gives today. So now we have to go to the settings of the indicators, and add the Donchian channel, and also add the DeMarker indicator. Today we will try to make profits with the help of the combination of these two indicators, but first of all we have to make some changes in the settings of both of them. So first of all go to the settings of Donchian channel, and set the period settings to 5. After that I am going to make some changes in the colors too. If you like it then you can do it too. And then save it. After this we have to make changes in the settings of the DeMarker indicators. Like here set the period to 7, there is no need to make much changes in its color settings, and then save it too, and here all our indicators are set. Now we add some currency pairs, and then we will start looking for entry points properly. I will add all the OTC currencies here, because I get more facilities in this. So here I have got a very good chart. We need only 2 confirmations to place an entry. Now let us talk about this chart. Like in this chart we got the first confirmation when the market reached the lower channel of the Donchian channel. Now we will wait for the second confirmation, and the second confirmation we will get from this green line of the DeMarker indicator. When this green line crosses this red line and starts going up, then we will place an entry in the upward direction. So now we will wait for the cross to happen here. So you can see that after this green moving average line crossed this red line in the upward direction, I have placed a double entry here. This is a good confirmation. And great, our entry here has won. In this strategy, the DeMarker indicator plays a bigger role than the Donchian channel, but this does not mean that the Donchian channel is not very important. The Donchian channel also helps us a lot in this. You will know more later. So here the market has touched the upper line of the Bollinger Bands and has come to the lower line. But the moving average line in the DeMarker indicator has just crossed this green line in the downward direction, so we can still place an entry here. And great, we won this entry too. You should understand each entry carefully, because you will get to understand some important things in different trades. So here also the market is now moving downwards from the upper line of the Donchian channel. So when this MA line crosses this green line in the downward direction, then we will place an entry in the downward direction. So here after the MA line crossed the red line I placed a double entry in the downward direction. And the entry won. It was very good. Now we look for the next chart where we can get the best entry. So here the market is moving from the lower line in the upward direction. And in the DeMarker indicator the MA line is also crossing the red line in the upward direction. And very good, here also the entry has won easily. Now we look for the next chart where we can get the right entry point. So here also the market is moving in the upper channel. When it starts going down, and at the same time the MA line crosses the green line in the downward direction, we will immediately place an entry in the downward direction. So after making the cross I immediately placed the entry. And our entry here won. I just placed the entry on the symbol chart, where I think the entry here has a higher chance of winning. So here the market is moving on the lower line. And the MA line is also moving below the red line. So we will wait a little, so that the MA line crosses this red line and comes up. And very good. We have placed many entries so far. And we will place some more entries. So we again look for a chart with a symbol and good entry point. So here also the market is moving on the upper line. So when it starts moving in the downward direction by forming a red candle, then we will think about placing an entry, and at the same time the MA line of the DeMarker is also moving above the green line. So we will wait until we get a signal in the downward direction from the DeMarker. So unfortunately our entry has lost here, so sometimes even after placing the entry correctly, the entry loses. This can also happen due to changing market trend, but we should be prepared in such a situation. So here also the market is going down after touching the upper line. Now we will wait till the MA line and the DeMarker indicator crosses the green line in the downward direction. So here the market has gone up instead of going down. And the DeMarker indicator also did not give any signal in the downward direction. So let us move on to another chart. So here too I think there can be a good entry. Unfortunately, our entry has lost here too. Now we will need a triple entry to recover it, so for this we look for a good chart. So here I got a good chart. And I think the chances of winning the entry here are very high. And here our entry has won. And I think maybe we have recovered the loss, so if we get the right entry point in the market, then we will try to earn some more profits. If you want the right entry point, then do not hurry while placing the entry, let all the indicators we have added provide signals properly, and only after that place the entry with the right analysis. This can bring a lot of change in your trading journey. Right now we haven't received any good signals from both the indicators, so we will wait for some time in this chart, so that we can get the right entry point to place the entry. And it is great that we have won this entry too. We have made good profits today. If we get the right entry points in the market, then we will place 2 or 3 more entries, and after that today's trading session will close here. So the strategy works well. Just try it in the demo account. If you like this strategy, then tell us in the comment.